All right, folks, we're checking this out. It's from BOLTZ, BOLTZ. I was really excited about this Kickstarter campaign. I saw some cool things in their video preview. I wanted to see if it was as good as they said. I just picked up a Dremel tool, and the thing I didn't like about the Dremel tool is it just had a lack of bits, where this apparently has quite a few bits. But yeah, very excited about it, that this tool apparently has a locking mechanism and just a lot more bits for us to use. Now it's, I believe, 5-speed, and it is USB-C rechargeable. I did just turn it on, so it kicked on. And ooh, that's a really sharp tool right there. So my understanding is we're just gonna spin it to lock it. So you can see there's the locked position and unlocked. And it looks like this just opens up to where you can slide your bits inside of it. So, folks, if you're looking for something that's absolutely fantastic, you slide it in, lock it in, and now we're going to be able to do our drilling. Wow, look at that. That is like a dentist tool right there. Let's see. Oh, you hear it? That's pretty cool. Probably shouldn't be cutting up my deck, huh? So what do we have here? We have a variety of sizes on these guys. That is an interesting device. Look how thin some of these are. But it took me a second to figure out. Just locks and unlocks like that. Slide in, slide out. Lock it down, easy to use. 5 different speeds, USB chargeable. I'm excited about this, the sanding side. I worked and I made a custom wrestling figure, like an action figure, and it was British Bulldog, and I just used my Dremel tool, and they only gave me like 1 bit with the whole kit. And that just wasn't enough to get all the angles and things that I wanted to get. So I'm very excited about BOLTZ. And this is a fun little device. Looks like you just have to lock it down, turn it on, and there it's going. Let's see if we can sand this down a little bit, right? Maybe just kick up the speed a bit. Oh, you can hear it, yeah. Let's smooth this out, right? That's where a nail went in. We're gonna smooth this out, make it look nice. See, I'm doing something good here. Not just damaging my deck, actually making it nicer. So yeah, there was kind of a screw sticking out there, and we just smoothed it down a little bit. That is a really nice design there, folks. So the brand is BOLTZ. They've got a Kickstarter, and I think the key is power on and off, 5 different speeds, and the easy clasp in and out here to get these guys, there we go, to get these out. And yeah, that's the thing on the Dremel. I noticed that, you know, it was the normal chuck, and then things were very loose afterwards, and I didn't like that. Like the bits kept coming out. So anyway, folks, Atom Elite demonstrations. This can be used as a drill as well. You can't do that with the Dremel. This can be used for all sorts of sanding and things of the sort. A fantastic device. Lots of stuff here, and of course, it is portable. I like that you're not going to lose everything accordingly. All right, folks, go ahead and check it out. You won't be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends.